Hi guys, for today's tutorial we're going to be doing a full glam with Anastasia Beverly Hills. We're first going to start off with the eyebrows and we're going to be using Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Primer. We're going to be using the Brow Wiz, which is in a shade lighter than her eyebrow, and that's going to be in the colour Taupe to fill in any spaces. We're going to underline underneath the eyebrow with this brow pencil in base 1. Then we're going to flick the eyebrow hairs out with the Anastasia Beverly Hills brush and cover the eyebrow with the brow gel in colour Caramel. Full tutorial on these eyebrows will be on the previous video. To prep the eye base, we're going to be using concealer in 0.75. We're going to take it underneath the eyebrow and go all over the eyelid. Next, using the cream contour palette in medium, using the warm coral colour to colour correct underneath the eyes, chin and around the mouth. Next, I'm going to go in with the foundation stick in the colour Golden. Using a dual fibre brush, we're just going to blend that all over the face, and as you can see, it's a little bit tan. Using the Charlotte Tilbury Magic Foundation in the shade 7, we're just going to have one pump and add it into the middle of the face, just so we blend the two colours together. What you then want to do is get a wet beauty blender and just blend it all out. Using another ABH concealer in the shade 1.5, we're going to go underneath the eyes and forehead. You want to push that product in, and then you want to go in with a contour stick in the shade Mink and sculpt out the cheekbone, nose and contour the lips and forehead. Like so. I like to blend in the contour before the highlighted areas so that we can get more of a flawless look. You want to go back in with a damp beauty blender and blend out the highlighted areas to give it a flawless look. See the difference? We've set the face off camera and we're going to go in with the eyes. For this, we're going to be using the Soft Glam palette, the first shade Sienna, and we're going to go back and forth. Once you have done that, we're going to go in with the second shade Mulberry, and we're going to try to keep it in the higher areas of the crease before we darken it with the next shade Cypress Umber, and we'll be keeping that on the outer edges only. Going back in with the same concealer 1.5, we're going to cut the crease and we're only going half. You want to run over that eyeshadow brush that you used previously just along the top. You can use any shade of yellow, and we're going to put this in the inner corners and then put an orange shade in the middle. Underneath the eye, we're going to use the same shade Sienna and Mulberry just to darken the under eyes and give it that smoky look. For eyeliner, we're going to be using the Darkside waterproof gel liner, and we're just going to line it with a angled brush. We went ahead and put the lashes on off camera, and we're ready for lips. I'm lining the lips with the MAC lip liner in the colour Whirl. And then I'm going to go in with the Anastasia lip gloss in the colour Tara. Using a light layer, I'm going to put that all over the lips and then lighten it with the shade Kirsten, also by ABH. For highlighter, we're going to go in with the Liquid Glow in the colour Peach Fuzz. I'm going to put that at the back of the beauty blender and then put a little bit in the middle of her eyebrows and the rest along her cheekbone to give it that natural glow. To intensify that highlight, we're going to go in with a powder with their classic So Hollywood Illuminator, which is the best. And just look at that glow. For blusher, we're going to use the Blush Trio in the colour Berry Adore, and we're going to mix literally the two end colours and tap it off before going over the cheeks. We're not going to overdo it because we want to keep it light. And literally that's it. This is the makeup tutorial by Anastasia Beverly Hills. All the information is down below in the description bar so you can see what product I've used, and they are genuinely one of my favourite brands. I hope you enjoyed the finished look, and do check out my other video which is linked here, and don't forget to subscribe.